Here we will see creating database and table using phpMyAdmin. phpMyAdmin is a popular web-based administration tool used to administrate MySQL servers and databases. To start phpMyAdmin, first open your XAMPP control and from there start MySQL. And then in browser, open your phpMyAdmin under localhost. To create a database from the main menu, choose the database. Then in the create database field, type a name for your database and then click on create. To create a table under database, select the database where you want to add table and then specify the table name and number of columns in the table. In this example, user is a table name given and number of columns are specified is 3. And then click on go. Then add the fields in a table and click on the save button. When you click on save button, table structure is defined like this. Here 3 fields are added: username, password 1 and password 2. Now we will see how to create a database and table in MySQL using phpMyAdmin. First open XAMPP control panel and from there start Apache server and MySQL. Then open the browser. Under localhost, open phpMyAdmin. It will open the phpMyAdmin. Now to add a new database, click here and then name the database as new student and click on create. It will create a database new student here. Then name the table user info. We need column 3, so we'll create number of columns 3 and we'll click on go. Here you can add the column name for this table. So I will give here username, type will be text, then I will give pass1 to save the password, type will be varchar and then pass2 and again I will give type will be varchar. After adding 3 columns, click on this save button. It will ask to enter length of the field and then I will save it. Here it shows the table structure: username, password 1, pass2. And under the database new student, new table user info is created.